Renting a room.
Hello, I am here to see the room for rent.
Hello, welcome. Please come in and take a look.
Thank you. The place looks clean and nice.
Thank you. I try to keep everything tidy.
How much is the rent for this room?
The rent is $300 per month.
Does the rent include water and electricity?
Water is included, but electricity is extra.
I see. Is the internet included?
Yes, the internet is free for all tenants.
That is great. How many people live here?
There are 3 other people living in the house.
Are they quiet and friendly?
Yes, they are very friendly and respectful.
That sounds good to me.
Would you like to see the room now?
Yes, please. I would like to see it.
This is the room. It has a bed and a table.
The room is simple but comfortable.
Yes, it is good for one person.
Is there a kitchen I can use?
Yes, you can use the shared kitchen anytime.
That is very convenient.
The bathroom is also shared with others.
That is okay for me.
When would you like to move in?
I would like to move in next week.
That is possible. You need to pay 1 month deposit.
Okay, I understand. I will think about it today.
Sure, please let me know your decision.
Shopping at a supermarket.
Hello, excuse me. Can you help me, please?
Hello. Yes, of course. What do you need?
I am looking for fresh milk.
The milk is in the dairy section.
Where is the dairy section?
It is at the back of the store, near the bread.
Thank you. Do you also have eggs there?
Yes, the eggs are next to the milk.
That is helpful. I also need some fruit.
The fruit is in the front area of the store.
I see. Are the apples fresh today?
Yes, they are very fresh and sweet.
Great. I will take some apples and bananas.
That sounds like a good choice.
Do you have any discounts today?
Yes, we have a discount on bread and juice.
That is nice. I will check the bread section.
The bread is near the dairy section.
Okay, I will go there now.
Let me know if you need more help.
Thank you. One more question, please.
Sure, what else do you need?
Where can I find rice?
Rice is in aisle 5, on the right side.
Thank you very much for your help.
You are welcome. Enjoy your shopping.
I have everything now. Where is the cashier?
The cashier is near the exit door.
Great. I will go and pay now.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Visiting a doctor.
Hello, please come in and have a seat.
Hello, doctor. Thank you.
What seems to be the problem today?
I feel sick and very tired.
I see. Can you tell me more about your symptoms?
I have a headache and a cough.
Do you have a fever as well?
Yes, I feel hot, especially at night.
How long have you felt this way?
I have felt like this for 2 days.
Are you taking any medicine now?
No, I am not taking any medicine.
Okay, let me check your temperature.
Sure, doctor.
Your temperature is a little high.
Oh, that is not good.
Do you have any allergies to medicine?
No, I do not have any allergies.
That is good. I will give you some medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
Take this medicine twice a day after food.
Okay, I will follow your advice.
Please drink plenty of water and get some rest.
I will do that.
If you do not feel better, come back in 3 days.
Okay, I will come back if I feel worse.
Do you have any questions for me?
No, everything is clear. Thank you.
Take care and get well soon.
Thank you very much, doctor.
Making new friends.
Hello, my name is John. Nice to meet you.
Hello, John. I am Mary. Nice to meet you too.
Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved here last week.
Welcome to the city. How do you like it so far?
I like it. The city is busy but interesting.
That is true. There are many things to do here.
Yes, I want to explore more places.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and listening to music.
That sounds nice. I also enjoy music a lot.
Really? What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music and soft songs.
I like pop music too. We have the same interest.
That is great. Maybe we can share songs.
Yes, I would like that.
Do you work or study here?
I work at a small company near the park.
That is nice. I work in an office nearby.
That is good. We are not far from each other.
Do you want to have coffee sometime?
Yes, that sounds like a good idea.
There is a nice coffee shop near here.
Great, I would love to go there.
How about this weekend?
This weekend is perfect for me.
Okay, let us meet on Saturday afternoon.
Sure, I will see you on Saturday.
It was nice talking to you today.
It was nice talking to you too. See you soon.
Talking about hobbies.
Hello, Mary. What do you like to do in your free time?
Hello, John. I like reading books and listening to music.
That sounds nice. What kind of books do you like?
I like simple storybooks and short novels.
I see. Do you read every day?
Yes, I read a little every night before sleep.
That is a good habit. I like watching movies.
Really? What kind of movies do you enjoy?
I enjoy action movies and funny movies.
That sounds fun. I like funny movies too.
Do you watch movies at home or at the cinema?
I usually watch movies at home with my family.
That is nice. I often watch movies with my friends.
It is always more fun with friends.
Do you have any outdoor hobbies?
Yes, I like walking in the park.
Walking is good for health. I like playing football.
That is great. Do you play every week?
Yes, I play football with my friends on weekends.
That sounds very exciting.
Do you like sports too?
I like simple sports like badminton.
Badminton is fun and easy to learn.
Yes, I play with my sister sometimes.
That is nice. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking simple meals at home.
What do you like to cook?
I like cooking rice, eggs, and vegetables.
That sounds delicious. I want to learn cooking too.
It is easy. You can start with simple food.
Thank you for the idea. I will try it.
You are welcome. Cooking is very useful.
Do you have any new hobbies now?
Yes, I am learning to draw pictures.
That is interesting. Is it difficult?
It is a little difficult, but I enjoy it.
That is good. Practice will help you improve.
Yes, I practice a little every day.
That is great. Hobbies make life happy.
Yes, they make our life more fun and relaxing.
Talking about weather.
Hello, Mary. How is the weather today?
Hello, John. It is very sunny and warm today.
Yes, the sun is bright. I like this weather.
Me too. It makes me feel happy and active.
Do you like sunny days or rainy days more?
I like sunny days more than rainy days.
I understand. Rainy days can feel a bit slow.
Yes, but I also enjoy rain sometimes.
What do you do on rainy days?
I stay at home and read books or watch movies.
That sounds relaxing. I like listening to music on rainy days.
That is a good idea. Music sounds nice with rain.
Do you like cold weather?
Not really. I prefer warm weather.
I also like warm weather. It is comfortable.
Yes, cold weather makes me feel lazy.
What is the weather like in your hometown?
It is usually hot, but sometimes it rains a lot.
That sounds similar to this city.
Yes, the weather is quite similar here.
Do you check the weather every day?
Yes, I check it on my phone every morning.
That is smart. It helps you plan your day.
Yes, I can choose the right clothes.
What do you wear on hot days?
I wear light clothes like t-shirts and shorts.
That is a good choice. I do the same.
What about rainy days? What do you wear?
I wear a jacket and carry an umbrella.
That is very practical.
Do you like windy weather?
Yes, a little wind feels fresh and nice.
I agree. Strong wind can be a problem.
Yes, strong wind can be dangerous sometimes.
What is your favorite weather?
My favorite weather is sunny and cool.
That sounds perfect for outdoor activities.
Yes, I like walking and spending time outside.
The weather really affects our mood.
Yes, good weather makes everything better.
First day at work.
Hello, I am John. Today is my first day here.
Hello, John. Welcome to the company.
Thank you. I am happy to be here.
We are happy to have you on the team.
Can you show me around the office?
Yes, of course. I will show you everything.
Thank you. This office looks very nice.
Yes, it is a comfortable place to work.
Where is my desk?
Your desk is over there near the window.
That is a good spot. I like it.
I am glad you like it.
What time does work start every day?
Work starts at 9 in the morning.
And what time do we finish?
We finish at 5 in the afternoon.
That sounds good. Is there a lunch break?
Yes, we have a 1-hour lunch break.
Where can I have lunch?
You can eat in the kitchen or go outside.
That is nice. Is there a coffee machine?
Yes, it is in the kitchen area.
Great. I love coffee.
Many people here enjoy coffee too.
Who is my manager?
Your manager is Mr. Smith.
Will I meet him today?
Yes, he will talk to you this afternoon.
That is good. I want to learn my tasks.
Do not worry, we will help you step by step.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Feel free to ask questions.
I will do my best in this job.
That is a great attitude to have.
I hope to work well with everyone.
I am sure you will do very well.
It is nice to meet you, Mary.
It is nice to meet you too, John.
Thank you for your time today.
You are welcome. Have a great first day.
Talking to your boss.
Good morning, Mr. John. Do you have a minute?
Good morning, Mary. Yes, please come in.
Thank you. I want to talk about my work.
Sure. What would you like to discuss?
I have finished my tasks for this week.
That is great. You are doing a good job.
Thank you. I try my best every day.
I can see your effort in your work.
I have a question about my next task.
Of course. What do you need to know?
Can you explain the new project to me?
Yes, I will explain it in simple steps.
That would be very helpful.
The project is about working with new clients.
That sounds interesting.
You will need to contact them and share information.
Okay, I understand.
I will give you a list of clients today.
Thank you. When should I start?
You can start this afternoon.
I also want to ask about my working hours.
Yes, what is your question?
Can I leave early tomorrow for a personal reason?
Yes, that is fine. Just finish your tasks first.
Thank you for your understanding.
You are welcome.
I will complete all my work before I leave.
That is good. I trust your work.
I enjoy working in this team.
We are happy to have you here.
Please let me know if I need to improve.
I will. You are doing well so far.
Thank you for your support.
My pleasure. Keep up the good work.
I will do my best every day.
That is a great attitude.
Thank you for your time today.
You are welcome, Mary.
Have a great day, Mr. John.
You too. Have a productive day.